Hi there and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will teach you how to use questioning and listening skills to your advantage. These skills are very important for any negotiator. Having these two skills will give you the edge you need during negotiations. There are a few things you need to learn about questioning and listening skills. First, we'll discuss why they are important and how you can apply these skills to help you land great deals when negotiating. After completing this lesson, you should have the necessary questioning and listening skills you need to assess and dominate every negotiation. As discussed earlier, the first rule of negotiations is to find out as much as possible about your negotiation counterpart. So, if you ever need to find more important information from the other party, it's time to just keep your mouth shut and listen. Research has shown that critical thinking often leads to effective questioning. So listening intently will definitely help you get the information. In the next part of this lesson, the team of procurement tactics will help you by listing the key steps on how to effectively listen and ask the right questions. Ask short and relevant questions. Short questions reveal short answers, and shorter answers help you ask more questions. While negotiations do take time, not beating around the bush also helps. With shorter questions, you can formulate more questions during the entire negotiation. Also, remember to ask open-ended questions. Yes, the answers will be longer, but you will also gain more information. Listen through reaffirming the statement or question. Another sign that shows you are listening is through reaffirming what the other party just said. This is also called mirroring. You can use this when asking a question that needs clarification. Listening to body movement is also important. One can tell that you are interested in listening to what someone else has to say through body language. Sit quietly with your body facing the other party while doing so comfortably. Not when asking questions that reaffirm or mirror what the other party said. Sit straight and look the other person in the eye. Listen without distraction. Of course, the only way you can listen carefully is when there's no one else speaking during negotiations. Don't talk with your teammates while someone from the other party is speaking. Not only is it considered rude and unprofessional, but you might miss important information by not listening intently. Also, find a place without any distractions. A family restaurant is simply not the environment you need for an important negotiation. Listen in complete silence. The only way to listen properly is to be quiet. Silence is your friend when someone else is speaking. Everyone gets to talk, so do be quiet, listen in for anything interesting, and allow the other party or another member of your team to finish what they're talking about. And that's it for this lesson. Now it's time to learn how to use tactics to get your desired negotiation result. Looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.